po ay nagbabalik para sa ating video tutorial. So, ang topic po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa HTML formatting. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng HTML text formatting? So, HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. For example, HTML formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. So, for example, number 1, bold, italic, mark, small, delete, ins, sub, and sup. So let's discuss about that formatting elements. So first, bold. So here is some text. There is another way to add an element in element of bold. So let's add another element. So it is the same in bold. You are encouraged to use strong element because a strong element defines text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. So the HTML B or bold element defines bold text without any extra importance. So you are encouraged to use strong element. So that's it for the bold and strong element. Next is italic. Here is some italic text. So HTML I element defines a part of text in alternate voice or mode. The content inside a typical displayed in italic. The I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, phrase from other language, a thought, a ship, name, or etc. Sa bold natin may dalawang klase na element. So pareho din sa ating italic. So pwede ka ding gumamit ng im. So it the same sa I na element. So you are also encouraged to use the im element. So next, the im element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. A screen reader will pronounce the word in im with an emphasis using verbal stress, im or emphasis. So next element about the HTML formatting. So HTML small element. So let's get this example line break. There is some text. So refresh your browser. Here is some small text. So element defines small text. This is a smaller text. So you can identify that this text is smaller than the normal text. So the HTML small element defines smaller text. So next, HTML mark element. So So this will be the example of mark element. So refresh. Here is some milk text. HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. So nakita nyo naman na the text inside the element the content inside the element is highlighted of color yellow. So yan po ang default color inside na hina-highlight dito sa mark element. So next is deal or delete element. So example, we have blue content. Here is some blue text. Kita nyo naman na ang example is deleted yung content. May line siya nakalagay sa gitna ng content. The HTML del element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browser will usually strike a line through deleted text. Next is ends element. Ends element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browser will usually underline inserted text. Sa example na nakita natin, may underline. Yan po yung ends element. Next are sub element. Here is some subscript text. So sub-element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. For example, ginagamit ito mostly yung mga formula. Makita nyo sa chemistry or sa biology. Next example is HTML is UP element. So tinatawag natin ito na superscript. Bakit nawawala yung text? Superscript. The HTML is UP or superscript element defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Superscript text can be used for footnote like www. Then, for example, ginagamit ang superscript sa math. Ginagamitan siya ng squared or yung mga number na sa itaas ng text. That's it. This is all the HTML formatting element. So, this is all the text formatting element. B defines bold text. M defines emphasized text. I defines a part of a text in alternate voice or mode. Small defines smaller text. Strong defines important text. Sub defines subscript text. Sup defines superscript text. Ins defines inserted text. Del defines deleted text. Mark defines marked or highlighted text. So this is all for formatting element. I have one topic that I want to add. So this is the HTML quotation. In this chapter, we will go through the block quote, Q, ABR address height, and video HTML element. So I have some example I want to share with you about the HTML queue for short quotation. WW goal is to build a future where people live in harmony with nature. So we have a quotation. Q tag defines a short quotation. Browser normally inserted quotation mark around the quotation. Let's try this example about the ABBR for abbreviation. So copy paste. ABBR title World Health Organization or WHO. ABR was founded in 1948. So let's try to see this one. Nakita nyo naman dito sa WHO, hindi nagdi-display yung World Health Organization. Meron siyang acronym or abbreviation na makikita pag nilagay mo yung cursor sa word na WHO, yung content na WHO. So makikita mo yung World Health Organization. Mark abbreviation can give useful information to browser translation system and search engine. Use the global title attribute to show the description of abbreviation acronym when you mouse over the element. So, yung mouse natin mag-over dito sa element. So, makita natin yung abbreviation ng text or ng content na nilagay natin dito sa ABBR for abbreviation. That's all for today and thank you for watching and God bless us all.